Start recording here. We got round number 7 on 1/18/12. We got the Bengals. We got John. Panthers, Donald C. Then John W. Brooke R. Don C. Don C. Joe C. Jesse P. Donald N. And then John. Adrian B. And Paulie N. So let's go ahead and rock this first box here. And this one's going to be ending in 82. 1082. So good luck. Let's hope for some thick packs like that one. Alright. Okay, good luck, guys. Got 3 thick and no redemption. First card here, we got Larry Fitzgerald. And that's 183 out of 499. Then we got Aaron Foster for the Texans. That's going to be 74 out of 499. And then we got Chuck Bednarik for the for the Eagles, Legends, and that's going to be 250 out of 499. And then we got Aaron Williams, Phenoms for the Bills. That's 150 out of 499. And then we have Roddy White. And that's a gold kind of parallel here. And that is 7 of 25. Not too bad. Then we have, for the Brownies, you got the initial step, the shoe, and there's actually where the shoelace goes right in there. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's kind of neat there. Greg Little. And that's numbered 66 out of 99. And then we got Kyle Rudolph. Initial steps again. And what do we have? 7. Titans. Okay. Sorry, I think I just gave away the hit. Next one, it's going to be 23 out of 99. That's going to be for the Vikings. It's going to go to Donald N. And next, I told you they were still in here. That's a sweet Jake Locker. And the patches in there are so sick. Wow, really, really nice hit. So Joe C. Solid, brother. And that is numbered 22 out of 199. So nice Jake Locker. Really nice hit. And then the next box here. Let's see. Ending in 244. Alright, let's take a look. That's going to be one of the thicker packs, which is good. No redemption, which is good. Alright, guys. Ryan Fitzpatrick for the Bills. And that's going to be 401 out of 499. Sorry, moving the cord with my feet. Alright, next we got Sidney Rice with the Seahawks. That's numbered 84 out of 4.99. Then we have Chris Collinsworth, legend, for the Bengals, and that's going to be 306 out of 4.99. And then next, we have a Stephen Payaya for the Bears. And that's Phenoms, and that's 68 out of 4.99. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. 68, 4.99. And then we have Reggie Bush. And that's going to be super short print, 27 out of 50. And next, we have a nice Cam Newton. Alright, so we got a Cam Newton jersey there, which is really nice. So, Donald C. It paid off. You may not get the last hit luck, but you're getting some luck here because there's one Cam Newton right there, and that is 37 out of 99. And then you're also going to get another Cam Newton. That's kind of cool. Back-to-back Cam Newtons. Really cool. And that one's super short print. That's 6 of 10. So that's a nice patch. And the last hit here is going to be for the Chargers. That's a super sick. That patch is unbelievable in there. We have Vincent Brown for the Chargers. Really nice hit. That patch is unbelievable. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 breaks in it. Amazing. That's going to be his true rookie. That's going to be 295 out of 299. So, wow. Really nice hit. Awesome. Well, guys, that we did 7 rounds, so we still have that single box, which is right here. So I'm really not sure if you guys want to do it or not. Like I said, I know it's late for you guys, but I could always just get the spots really quick. They'll be super cheap, like 10 bucks. And we can do that last box if you want. If not, we can always wait for it. And, you know, we can do some more spots tomorrow. So I'll go ahead and I'll get the spots ready. You know, if you guys want to do it, it'll go pretty quick. So hang tight. I'm going to keep the video live. Okay, guys?